Our brain is one of the most complex structures known to science. This small organ makes up only about 2% of our body weight, yet it's responsible for all our thoughts, feelings, memories, and decisions. Despite incredible scientific progress, many brain functions remain a mystery. Scientists estimate that our amazing brain contains around 86 billion neurons, connected by about 100 trillion synapses, more connections than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. But how exactly does the brain work? How does it store memories? Why do we dream? Could we ever read each other's minds? And what about that popular idea that we use only 10% of our brain? Is that true? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating secrets of the human brain. Stay tuned. When a memory forms, what's really happening inside the brain? Unlike a hard drive that stores data in one place, memory is created in a network of neurons and their connections. Every time we learn something new, neurons communicate through synapses, and with repetition, those connections grow stronger. Information first goes into short-term memory, and if it's important, the brain transfers it to long-term memory. The hippocampus plays a crucial role in this process. Research from MIT shows that when memories are consolidated, they spread across different areas of the brain's cortex. This means that a single memory, like the scent of a flower or the sound of an old song, is stored in multiple regions. Even if we think we've forgotten something, the brain still keeps it stored somewhere. In experiments, scientists have reactivated memories that people couldn't recall by electrically stimulating parts of the brain. This shows that memories aren't completely erased. Sometimes we just have trouble accessing them. We all dream, but why? Are dreams just random images? Or does the brain do something more complex? Studies show dreaming isn't meaningless. It plays a vital role in processing information and managing emotions. When we sleep, the brain goes through different stages, one of the most important being REM sleep. During REM, our eyes move rapidly, and the brain is as active as when we're awake. Scientists believe that during this stage, the brain processes and organizes new memories. Harvard research shows that people who don't get enough sleep struggle more with learning and memory. Dreams aren't just about memory, though. Brain scans reveal that areas responsible for emotions become very active during sleep. This means the brain is sorting through and managing our daily feelings. Some scientists even think dreams help us prepare for real-life dangers by simulating scenarios. In other words, the brain is practicing for the future while we sleep. You've probably heard that humans use only 10% of their brain. This idea has been popular in sci-fi movies and motivational books for years. But is it true? Scientific evidence says no. Using brain imaging like fMRI, researchers have shown that almost all parts of the brain are active, even during simple tasks. Even when resting, the brain constantly processes information and connects neurons. So where did this myth come from? Some say it was a misunderstanding of early brain research. If only 10% of our brain was active, damage to even a tiny area would cause major problems. But studies show that even small injuries to different brain regions can lead to serious issues, meaning we use much more than 10% of our brain at all times. Mind reading has long fascinated us in science fiction. But is it possible to actually see what others are thinking? Recent research suggests it might be. Scientists have used fMRI to analyze brain activity patterns when people think of specific words or images. In a remarkable experiment at Kyoto University, researchers combined AI with brain scans to reconstruct images from people's minds. This technology is still new, but in the future, we might be able to visualize human thoughts. With ongoing advances, we might even be able to enhance our brains. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, have shown promise in improving memory and cognition. Some experiments show that brain stimulation can speed up learning and help fix cognitive impairments. Scientists are also developing ways to transfer information directly into the brain, just like in sci-fi movies. Maybe one day, we'll download skills directly into our minds, like in The Matrix. A future where we upgrade our brains might not be so far off. The human brain remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Despite incredible progress, there's still so much we don't understand. But one thing's clear, our brains are far more powerful than we realize. Maybe someday, we'll not only better understand our minds, but also unlock even greater potential. What do you think? Which brain secrets surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fashion.